got a set of planer blades in today, ready for sharpening, and if you take a look at them, pretty damaged. Now that's going to leave some serious lines down the wood, so that is not good at all. Some really nasty chips out of that. So let's see what we can do with it. So first of all, I'll bring this over until we get to the blade itself, which is there, just down the bottom of the screen, and then I shall double check with my hand and see if it's close, spin the wheel and slowly feed it down until it touches, which is there. That will do. And I'll spin that back around like that and hit the grinding wheel button, the water button and the track button, and in that slowly takes it up and down the blade and bring that back to where it should be. Well, we not only do planer blades, we do guillotine blades, wood chipping blades, router cutters, chainsaws, garden tools, saw blades, tungsten tip saw blades, basically anything woodworking or anything else you can get sharpened, we can do it here at 12 Point Tools. Now let's get back to these planers. Now as you can see, as it's going along here, we are taking a nice little cut against those planers, and the chips are starting to go. Still there, but they are starting to go. They don't look quite so bad. But then it has only been on here for sort of half a rotation, so it won't be long. And then whilst that's going, you can see us sharpening a TCT saw blade here. Here's some more planer blades that we've got in. These aren't anywhere near as bad as the others. They're just needing a sharpen on these. Just a little blunt, but they don't seem so bad. Here's some that I have recently done. Straight, sharp, and ready. Right, okay, so we've been round once and we're finding the chips are slowly going. See, there's not a lot left now chip wise. There's one there, still a little bit of that big one. Well, now you can see, get it in focus, there we go. We're almost there. Chips are pretty much gone, just need to let this finish its round on this section, and then I shall take the burr off the back and show you the finished product. Okay, so let's get rid of this excess wet and have a check. One nick, not one chip. Absolutely straight as an arrow and super sharp. That is how we do it. So to get yours done, just find us online, 12 Point Tools. We're down in Havant near Portsmouth, and we will sort yours out just like these.